Yes, guys, this one issue I want to handle here. Somebody asked me, why is it that each time you're covering a cake, you do see this? What are bakers doing with this thing? This thing is meant for engineers, people that are into building, people that build house and all that. It's called a plum. It's called a plum. Look at it. A plum. I had to reply the person. I said, actually, yes. It's used for what? Engineers, civil engineers, people that are into building and building construction and all that. Then I asked the person, do you know the function? Do you know why they use it? He said, I don't know. It's just that it's seeing this tool, engineering tool, in what? Baking. I was not like, this thing you see, now construction we dey do for here. It was actually for the anyway. Do you understand? Now, this cake artistry, it's more of, okay, imagine having a very tall cake. Is that not the construction work? The same way you can see a very tall skyscrapers. Do you understand? You see a very tall building. You imagine how was this constructed? Yes, that is what we do. It's just that they make use of cement. We make use of what? Our cake, our fondant, our buttercream, our royal icing. These are what? Plasters. We use it to plaster our building. Why they make use of sand, cement, plaster sand, and all that to what? To cover the what? The block walls. Why we make use of what? Fondant, whipped cream, buttercream, royal icing, no mix. Do you understand? They paint their building. We do what? We paint our cake. We apply what? Food colors. Are you understanding me? After when they finish their building, somebody will enter inside and appreciate it. After we finish our construction, people will look at it. Ah, this cake is fine, oh. Somebody will be passing. That building is fine, oh. They will enter inside and say, wow. Then they will cut our cake. They will like, wow, it's tasty. So, do you see where the link is? But nevertheless, I will still explain why this is used. Why this is used is because of what? We take levels. We take levels in what? Cake artistry, and what? Without this, our cakes will not be what? Straight. It will not be what? Balanced. Are you understanding? So we always want our cake to be what? Balanced. So for our cake to be balanced, we make use of this. This is what tells us that the cake is balanced or not. How does it do that? Let's assume this is our cake. After baking the cake, due to the fact that it's not perfectly what leveled, if you put it in an oven, it will rise. In the course of trying to put it in an oven, this side may rise more than this side, or the center may puff off while the other sides are what? Down. So this helps us to what? Take level. It's called a plum. Do you understand? So how do we use this? You place it on the cake. Let's assume this is the cake. Before covering, ever before trimming, you must have used this. So how does it work? Look at it very closely. You see a bubble. Look at it very closely. You see a bubble moving. Are you seeing it? Left, right. There's this bubble moving. Left, right. Are you seeing it? Yes. That's the bubble that determines what? This thing is level or not. How does it determine it? If this is our cake, assuming, if I place this plum on this cake, and this bubble goes to the right, just the way it's moving like this. Are you seeing it? If this bubble now goes to this side, it means that this side is high. Now look at it. This bubble, now it's at the center, right? Are you seeing it? It's at the center. Yeah. If it goes here, it means here is high. Now looking at the plum, you notice that this place is high. Now if it goes to the other side, you notice that here is high. Now if this bubble is at the center, now it's at the center. Are you seeing it? It's at the center now. It means that what? This cake is what? Level. Do you understand? It means that what? This cake is level. So assuming we keep this on it, and what? The bubble comes to this side. It means that what? We need to trim this cake. Either two ways to achieve the leveling is either I trim here so that it can balance, or I get a cake and pad up this side. If the bubble is this side, it means this plum is like this. So it's either I trim down for it to come down, or as it is like this, I'll top up a cake here for it to balance. Do you understand? There are two things you do. You either trim to cut down, or you pad up for it to meet up that level. Are you understanding? That's for what? For the top. Now, if your cake is not balanced, it's not straight, my dear, if you're doing a wedding cake, it will get to an extent, your cake will be done like this. And it may fall off. and when it falls in that hole, in that event, it's a bloody thing to do. Do you understand? It's a very shameful thing to do as a baker, that your cake will fall at the venue. Even if it doesn't fall, but the shape being like this. Once somebody look at it, this shape, this cake is not straight. That is one. Because of what? The level. If it's not level, if you put another one, bend, put another one, to bend. Do you understand? So when you use it at the top, we also use it what? At the side. Because there are some cake that the top will be straight, but the side it's not straight. How do you determine the side? By what? Turning this plum to this. Now, if you turn this plum to this, how do you check? We check if the body of this, these things are not, these are just constructed pans. They actually did not use plum, and they just constructed it. So in order to avoid these errors, we need to use this. So if this is the body of your cake, look at this part of it. You still see that bubble. Are you seeing that bubble moving? See the bubble moving. So if this bubble is towards this side, you see it moving. If it goes like this, it means that what? The top of this cake goes in while the bottom is what? Outside, meaning that the cake is like this. Now look at it again. If the bubble goes like this, it means that what? The top of the cake bulged out while the bottom went inside, meaning the cake is like this, as on this side, meaning it's like this, while the other one is like this. Now watch it again. If this is at the center right now, look at it, is at the center, it means that what? The body of this cake is straight. So with this now, you now know that what? The top is straight, the side is straight, to give you a very sharp edge. So it will help you to control what? You producing a cake, or delivering a cake that what? The top is not level, or it will appear like this, or appear like this. You will give a very perfect finishing to your cake. That is why we use a plum. That's the function of a plum, determining what? The level of your cake, and the straight sides and the top. So I hope you understand. You understood what I said about the plum. Engineers use it. We bakers also what? Use it. Do you understand? So our tools and their tools are likely. Do you understand? If I start explaining their tools and our tools, you see that what? They are very, very close. We make use of spatula, palette knife. We make use of trowels. Yes. We make use of trowels. Yes. Our sand and our cement is what? Icing sugar. Our sand, our cement, glucose and all that, egg whites. This is our sand, and let me not continue teaching. Just understand what this is meant for, and what? Apply it to your cake covering. Your cake will always come out fine. Take care, guys. Bye.